Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Princess Bravo here. If you are new and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to show you guys the tip trick for you guys to achieve flawless eye makeup that is for your eyebrows, your eyeshadow and also your eyeliner. So this video is very beginner friendly and also going to show you guys my affordable products to achieve this gorgeous look. So if you are interested to see this video, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's begin. I've already done my skincare and that's how my skin is looking like. So next I want to do my eyebrows. I'm grabbing my toothbrush and this is what I normally use to do my brows. So I'm combing my eyebrows hairs upwards and outwards. Next, I'm grabbing this tape, which is really old, you guys. So I'm going to use that and place it at the back of my hand so that it's not harsh on my skin when I apply it. And you want to do that, and then you place the tape across your eye. So from the outer corner of your eye all the way to the outer corner of your brow bone. So that's where you want the tape to lay. So make sure you place it correctly. So I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side as well. So personally, I love this technique because when I do my eye makeup, I do it so fast and it turns out so beautifully. So which makes it easy for me to do my eye makeup. So once the tape is on there, we are going to start getting ready to do our eyebrows. So this is very beginner friendly, you guys. So if your hand is not steady, please try this technique and let me know how well it works for you. So now I've already applied soap on the surface of the toothbrush, and when I comb my eyebrow hairs, that's why you see them looking like so, like I've used some gel or something or some wax, but no, it's soap. I'm doing the soap brows today, so I will link a detailed tutorial to how you guys can achieve soap brows. But regardless, this is what you want to do. You want to comb your eyebrow hairs upwards and outwards again using the toothbrush, which is already coated with soap. Once that is done, I'll leave my brows alone to dry and set while I work on my eyeshadow. I'm using the Kiss Beauty eyeshadow palette with my eyeshadow brush. So I've packed some gorgeous pink shimmer color onto the eyeshadow brush and I'm going to start applying the color all over my eyelid. So how you want to do that is I'm starting with the outer corner first, going towards the inner corner. Now I know I haven't used any eyeshadow primer or concealer on my eyelid because that really helps so that your eyeshadow can really look conspicuous and the colors can really show. But since I don't have that, you can just use whatever you have to create a gorgeous look. So this is what I'm doing over here. So if you're a beginner and you don't have all these products, you can just use what you have to create a gorgeous look. So as you guys can see, what I'm doing over here is I'm just packing the color of the eyeshadow onto the outer corner, and then whatever is left, I'm going to drag it all the way towards the inner corner of my eyelid. So I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side as well. So you want to pack some eyeshadow color on your eyeshadow brush and start applying it on the outer corner, and then whatever is left, start dragging it all the way towards the inner corner. Again, you don't want any harsh lines on your eyeshadow, so make sure you start blending it out once you are done applying the eyeshadow. So start blending it out on your crease area because we don't want any harsh lines. Also make sure that your eyeshadow does not touch your brow bone because I see this mistake all the time. So always keep this point in mind. Whenever you are doing your eyeshadow, remember to leave that gap. Your brow bone should not have any eyeshadow. finish off my eyeshadow look, I'm going to apply more eyeshadow color onto the outer corner of my eyelid like so, because I wanted it to appear more darker and also so that it can give me that smoky effect on my eyelid. Once I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm going to start working on my brows. So for my brows, I'm using the Davis number 23 eyebrow pencil. I'm using that to line my lower and also the upper part of my brows. And then once that is done, I'm going to start filling them in. So now I am filling in my brows and I'm using the same pencil. So I'm filling in the gaps where I feel like there is space, and also I'm using a very light and gentle hand when I'm doing this. We don't want to disturb the eyebrow hairs that have already set in place using the soap. So be very gentle when you are filling in your eyebrows. So now I'm blending out my brows using my toothbrush. So I'm doing that using a very light hand because we don't want to take all the product away from our brows. We're just blending out the eyebrows. And once that is done, I'm grabbing my black eye pencil. I'm going to use that to fill in the gaps once more because I feel like the brown pencil, the Davis number 23 pencil, wasn't so conspicuous. So I'm using the black one to make my brows appear more darker. Also, I feel like if you're a beginner, when you use a pencil to do your brows, it's way easier and less complicated than using gel. And also, pencils are way more affordable than gel. Next, I'm going to be using the Miss Rose Shimmer Highlighter. I'm going to apply that on the highest points of my face. So starting off with my brow bone. Honestly, I applied way too much shimmer highlighter on my brow bone, but I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to sort that out in just a bit. But of course, what do you expect when you use a finger to apply highlighter on your brow bone? This is bound to happen. But I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to sort that out. But if you have one of those brushes to apply highlighter, well and good, go ahead and do that. So in case you applied way too much shimmer highlighter on your brow bone and you don't have a brush like me to blend it out, just get yourself a round cotton swab. Trust me, it does a very good job. So you can also use this round cotton swab to clean off your brows. That is the top and the bottom part of your brows. You really necessarily don't need a concealer for that. Finish off my eye makeup, I'm going to be using this liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my very basic winged eyeliner, which are very popular these days. So starting off with the inner corner, I'm going to do a very thin and tight line on my eyelash line, and I'm going to drag it very slowly and gently towards the outer corner of my eye. So we don't necessarily need to worry about the outer corner really, because we have that tape which is going to act as a guard and which is going to really help us get that really nice and sharp looking eyeliner. So when it comes to the wing, this is what I normally do. I open my eyes really wide like so that I can see where the hood is, and then I start drawing the wing starting from the outer corner going towards the inner corner, and then I'll start filling in the gaps. So I'm now going to repeat the same steps on the other side. Again, you guys need to be very careful if you are working with liquid eyeliner, because liquid eyeliner really smudges, especially if it is not yet dry. So make sure not to move your eyes so much, because when you do that, guess what? It is going to smudge, and all your hard work that you've been working for the past I don't know how many hours is going to just go to waste. So for the love of the dramatic eyeliner look, this is what I'm doing over here. So I'm elongating the wing, and very soon I'm going to give you guys an updated winged eyeliner tutorial for hooded eyes. So make sure you stick around and stay tuned for that. Finish off this look, I'm going to be using this black mascara, and I'm going to apply that onto my lashes. And honestly, I've had this mascara for the longest time ever. Those this time I ran out of this black mascara, and this is what I did. I just took some water and added it into the tube of mascara, left it there for some few days, and you'll still have some mascara to last you like a few more weeks before you get yourself a new mascara.